All right, welcome back. I want to give a shout out to Drew of Boca Raton for giving us this compressor that we're going to repair today. First we got to figure out what's wrong with it. Now he's saying that there's power going to the motor, but for some reason it's not cranking. So essentially all compressors are compressors of this sort operate on the same principle. You've got a tank down here for holding capacity, and then on top you have the actual pump that kind of draws air in and compress it and force it into the tank. Now over here, this is a pressure gauge and a pressure gauge switch, and once it hits 150 psi from here, once it detects that it has reached the actual pressure, it'll cut the switch off, cutting the power off to the actual compressor. So what we're going to do is, so it's easier for us to work, we're going to go ahead and dismount this top part and make it more modular. Power cord from behind the switch, the pressure switch, appears to be frayed, so this may be why the pump wasn't working. Alright, so we've got these air conditioning cables from another project, and we're gonna kind of hot wire it and see if we can get this thing cranking.